a lot of people want to know what a window replacement costs. And the reality is it really depends. I'll tell you, the average American changes 8 windows at a time. And so if you're doing 8 windows, that's much more affordable than 30 to 40. So what I'd like to think about though is if you're looking at doing 3 or 4 vinyl windows, replacement windows, you're probably looking somewhere between $800 to $1,000 per window. If you're looking at fiberglass, you're probably looking at somewhere around $1,500 to $1,700, $1,800, okay? If you want a wood interior, so you could get a fiberglass exterior, aluminum clad exterior, steel exterior, but you really want that wood interior, you like the warmth, you like the character, you're probably looking over $2,000 per window. The reality is I could sell you some windows that cost $3,000 or $4,000. I could say windows that cost $500, $600. The vast majority of homeowners I talk to really want at least a fiberglass window because it's durable, it's more energy efficient, it's high quality glass, and so most people are going to be thinking about spending in that $1,500 to $1,800 for a fiberglass window. Well, listen, so one of the biggest things that affects the cost when you get new windows are you going to do a replacement window or you going to do what we call a full tear. And that means, are we going to remove the window, leave the interior trim, and just install a new window within the pocket to sash the window? So we're not doing a full tear, we're replacing trim, we're just inserting a new window. That's gonna save you $300-400 a window. If we're doing a full tear and we're doing all new interior trim, normally all new exterior trim, that's gonna add $300 to $400 per window. So, again, some people really want that look. It's a great way to make sure you don't have any wood rot, but if you're on a budget, that alone could save you $300 or $400 per window. So one thing to consider is a lot of the homeowners ask me, chicken or egg, do I do windows first or siding? It just depends. So the average homeowner does 8 windows at a time. And so a lot of our homeowners have 4 or 5 windows that don't even open on their house. And they might elect they might not get all new windows, but they're going to get the 4 or 5 that came and open done right. And then down the road, 2 or 3 years down the line, we'll go and install the other ones. If you're going to install all windows, it makes sense to do windows first, because if not, we come back and do siding, we're going to have to retrim those windows twice. And so if you're doing 4 or 5 windows, if you hire Fairway, I'd take care of that cost for you. But if you're doing an entire house, it's going to cost you a couple $1,000s to do windows after you do siding.